Welcome to HealthHelper, your go-to channel for all things health, wellness, and fitness. Whether you're looking to adopt healthier eating habits, get into a new workout routine, or simply improve your overall well-being, HealthHelper has got you covered. We bring you expert advice, easy-to-follow guides, and inspiring stories to help you lead a healthier and happier life. What you'll find on our channel: nutritious recipes, delicious and healthy meals that are easy to prepare, fitness routines, effective workouts for all fitness levels, from beginners to advanced, mental health tips, techniques and advice for managing stress and maintaining mental well-being, wellness trends, latest trends and research in the health and wellness industry, product reviews, honest reviews of health and fitness products to help you make informed decisions, inspiring stories, real-life success stories to motivate and inspire you on your health journey. Join our community of health enthusiasts and start your journey towards a healthier you today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's make health a habit.